Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Yeah. Dum-dum-da-da-da. Come and join me on the crazy train. It's a trip to insanity. Paranoia creeps all along the tracks with its strange activity. The more you see, the weirder it gets. Its sights will lead to confusion. You'll try and find a logical reason, but you'll never reach a conclusion. You're on board the crazy train. You're questioning your own brain. This trip may leave you a little dazed. The scenes may seem quite strange. Welcome to the crazy train, where all is not as it seems. You're aboard the crazy train. Hold on tight to your seat. Come and join me on the crazy train, where nothing will make sense, where reality seems to disappear in a cube full of strange events. It's a ride that's far from normal, so be ready with an open mind. Crazy things will always happen. Are you ready for a crazy ride? You're on board the crazy train. You're questioning your own brain. This trip may leave you a little dazed. The scenes may seem quite strange. Welcome to the crazy train, where all is not as it seems. You're aboard the crazy train. Hold on tight to your seat. Crazy train. Well,